The god Indra was the most important god in the Vedic tradition, and later he became an important figure in Buddhism, the Chaz, and the Chinese tradition. The word Indra is derived from Indriya, the senses. It is said that Indra is not the name of a person, but a position, a chair. In a Manvantar, there are different Indra, Saptarishi, Manu. 14 Manvantras have 14 Indras called Yajna, Vipaschit, Shibi, Vidhu, Manojav, Purandar, Bali, Adbhut, Shanti, Vish, Ritudham, Devaspati, and Suchi. Keep in mind that Bali is the king of Asur, which means that even Bali has once become Indra, as well as Meghnad, the son of Ravana. God Indra is the god of lightning, thunder, storm, rain. He is known as the one who kills Asur Vrita, who is the personification of drought. In the Vedas, he is considered the king of Devas and the one who lives in Swarg. He presided over them in Indralok, and yet he is never worshipped. While even cows, trees, and snakes are worshipped in Hinduism, among hundreds of other gods. Have you ever wondered why? Lord Krishna is believed to have cursed Indra. Therefore, Indradev is not worshipped. Before Lord Krishna, there used to be a great festival in North India called Indrotsav. One day, Lord Krishna saw that all the Brijvasi were worshipping Indra. When he saw his mother was also worshipping Indra, he questioned why people worshipped Indra. He was told that he rains which produce food and feed our cows. Then Shri Krishna said that if this is so, then everyone should worship Govardhan Parvat because our cows graze there. All the Brijvasis started worshipping Govardhan Parvat instead of Indra. Devraj Indra considered it his insult and started heavy raining like a holocaust. Then Lord Krishna lifted the Govardhan mountain on his little finger and protected the Brijvasis from heavy rains. After this, Indra came to know that Lord Krishna is actually an incarnation of Lord Vishnu and realized his mistake. Later, Indra also had to apologize to Lord Krishna. On the plea of Indradev, Lord Krishna laid down Govardhan Parvat. Shri Krishna had said that Govardhan Parvat gives us more life and vitality than a god Indra who threatens us. So instead of Indrotsav, it would be more appropriate to celebrate Gopotsav, a festival for Govardhan Parvat. That was all for Indra's flattery. He was never worshipped after that. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, do like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already.